Guys, isn't my corn beautiful? Isn't that beautiful? It's beautiful because it's growing in a torpedo pot. I'll make it clear. All I did was take my seeds and I threw them in that planter, one corn seed. And guess what it did? It grew my corn for me. All you have to do is put your seeds in or put your seedlings in, walk away for the rest of the year, and it grows your food for you. You plug up a little hose in the back, you turn a knob in the front, and automatically the water goes through. 10 to 20 heads of corn in just 20 inches. Who does that? Torpedopot does. So we get to have a beautiful season and the harvest and see exactly what we can get from this corn. So you ready? Let's give it a try. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Guys, this is Torpedopot. These are self-growing planters. And what they do is that they grow your food for you. So yes, you can do 10 to 20 heads of corn in just 20 inches. We realize a lot of people use fertilizers in their to feed their plants. And what we try to tell individuals is that fertilizers, they're like a drug. What you do is that you put the fertilizer in and it goes to the plant's root system and the plant absorbs it up. But the plant is not going out and reaching and getting its food. The plant is not existing in an environment, a natural environment, where the microbes and the fungus are there to help break down those particulates and make them available to the soil. So you don't have that building soil process. You simply throw your fertilizers in, it goes up into the plant, and it's like a stimulus to make the plants behave in a certain way, not with Torpedopot. So we have the plumbing that distributes the water, then you adjust the water to grow the fungus that feeds your plants. Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Darrell Addison. I'm the founder and inventor of a growing concept called Torpedopot, where we make self-growing planters. All you do is throw your seeds and your plants in that planter. You never water, you never feed. And it grows plants for you like you've never seen before. This is Torpedopot, self-growing planters. And what they do is that they grow your food for you with no human intervention. You put your seeds and your plants in that planter and it grows your food. So I'm pretty sure that we can do about, in this planter, we should be able to do, I don't know, maybe about 10 to 20 heads of corn inside this planter. Yes, this is Torpedopot. It's the world's first self-growing planter, where all you do is put your seeds and plants in there and you will have food all of the time. Plants eat what? Right, they eat other plants. This once was a plant that was broken down and now is made available for the plants to eat. The nutrition that is in the walls of that plant, that was in the cells, that's in the root structure of the plant, is now broken down because all of that food is built into that matrix within that plant. So the microbes and the fungus breaks it down and makes it available to the plant so they can eat it. And what that does is that when you have the microbes and the bacteria moving in that environment, it creates a better soil. It creates the soil that you're looking for.